On this fine day on the island of Sodor, Percy has gone to Choco Farms to get chocolate eggs from the chocolate duck. Percy then loads them onto a spatial rail car with the help of Annie. Percy then brings the chocolates to the aluminum wrapping factory. Once Annie has been unloaded of all her chocolates, they then go to the chocolate wrapping factory, and here we see them. They get wrapped, and then they go on the conveyor belt. Then, the Santa Fe crane loads all the wrapped chocolates onto the cargo cars, and then Thomas the train takes them away. And off Thomas the train goes. And with the help of many people, the chocolate eggs from the cargo are then loaded onto the Ford Model Ts and Model As and are sent off to the city, where many children will enjoy them.